Hello everyone and welcome back to physics class. We are going to be building off of last lesson and we're going to be looking at tangent lines. In fact, we're going to be looking at how you determine the slope of a tangent line to a curve. Let's dive in. So first things first, let's look at tangent lines. What is a tangent line? Well, a tangent line is used to determine the slope of a particular point on a graph that has a curve. To draw a tangent line, you must draw a straight line that touches the curve at only one point. Let's do some little bit of visualization right now. Here is an example of a tangent line. As you can see here, this is your point, and then you have this line that passes through. It's a straight line, and it only touches this curve right here at that one point. It's very important that the line only touches one specific point on the curve because otherwise it would not be a tangent line. A tangent line, it really is just that one piece of contact. So for instance, if I had a point up here and I wanted to find a tangent line running right through that point, I can't draw a line like this because it passes through the graph or the curve twice. So it really has to be something where you are kind of like drawing a line, and I'm going to try to do it on here. It's a little bit difficult to draw this uh, on here, but really like you want to try to draw a line that only touches at that particular point. And that's how you determine your tangent line. So once you've identified your tangent line, what do we have to do next? Well, you need to locate 2 points on that line that you have drawn. So we're not looking at the curve anymore, we're looking at the straight line that you have drawn. From there, you can use that same formula that we use for finding the slope of a straight line to find the slope. Again, the formula is slope is equal to the rise over your run, right? So we're looking at our y values, and then we're looking at our x values, and then we're dividing them. Let's take a look at an example here. So we already have a tangent line made for us. We're looking specifically at the point where the tangent line passes through at 2 seconds. So right here at 2 seconds, this is where the tangent line passes through. Normally, I would ask you to draw a tangent line, but because it's very difficult to draw a tangent line on the computer right now, this is what we're doing. So we have our first point, actually. We've identified the first point, and so I'm just going to put in the numbers here. So this is going to be 2. Remember, we always put our x as the first one, so I have 2 as my first one. And then if I read the second number, which is on the y, it'll be 6 right there. So that's my first point. My second point, let's do it in a different color here. Let's do it in the red. Oh, wait, never mind, not red. Let's use yellow. Let's do yellow. So I have this point here. This is going to be my second point. And I'm just going to once again type in those numbers, or write in those numbers, I should say. I have a 3 for my x-axis here. So my first number is 3. And then the second number on my y is a 2. So these are my 2 points that I am using. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our formula. So our formula is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we want to identify our y's first. So I'm going to highlight those. And let's do this in purple, let's say. So here are my y's. And I'm going to now put them into my formula. So I take y2, which is 2, and I'm subtracting 6 from that. All right. Now the other 2 numbers that are not highlighted are going to be my x values. So I'm going to take my second one, which is 3 right there. And then my first one, my x1 is going to be 2. So now I have this here, this fraction, and I'm going to be subtracting the top and the bottom and then doing a division if I need to. 2 minus 6 will give us -4. And then 3 minus 2 gives us just 1. So In the end, negative 4 divided by 1 will give us negative 4. So our slope in this case is actually going to be negative 4. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Please don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you next time.